Today we're going to look at how you can print out multiple slides on one piece of paper, both to save paper and ink. We're going to go to Miss Holgrimson's civics class. I'm going to look at the second unit. She has multiple pages with notes. I'm going to open up the PowerPoint. And I'm going to decide, yes, I definitely need the notes that go along with this. So I'm going to right-hand click. I can click print. Now, instead of just automatically hitting print, I'm going to go to where it says more settings. And I am going to now also use print using system dialog. Up here, you get to choose your printer and everything, but I'm also going to use preferences. Here, it gives me how many pages per sheet. Typically 4 pages per sheet is the easiest way to see the writing and save the most paper and ink. So I'm going to get out of there. We don't need this one anymore. We're going to now look at Unit 3. Unit 3 has another version of a PowerPoint, and we're going to try and do it a little bit different of a way. Open it up. This looks a little different than her last one did. We're going to come down here to set options and settings. We're going to download this one as a PowerPoint. So then this way we can see how to do it in another fashion. You will download this to your files. I'm going to download it to mine, Emily Beasing, and save. When this is ready, I'll open it up. Enable editing. And here I'm going to print. File. And then I'm going to choose print. And here's where I get to do that again. Full page of slides, where it says print 1 slide per page, I'm going to change it again. I'm going to go to 4 slides per page before I print. We're going to try it one more time with a different way of doing this. We're going to go to Unit 4. And this time, we're going to try downloading it as a PDF. When you download as a PDF, it very well may take a little bit longer. Or if we do hit just print, it gives us the same options as before. You have to actually hit your right-hand click print. So that's not going to help us. We want to try and do the PDF. You have to save it again to your folder. And for whatever reason, saving it to a PDF takes a very long time, regardless if it's just a few pages or several. And as you can see, it is time consuming. The only reason you would want to do this is if you wanted to save the pictures and the information exactly as it is and to pass it on to other people exactly as it is. Teachers typically like to do this so that there is no altering. Also, you should know that downloading it as a PDF is not going to make it any different than when you would have done it any other way. Again, we're going to see it here. We can just click on print here, and it's right back to the print using the system dialog like we did with the first option, having to do 4 pages per sheet. Those are the different ways that you can go about printing multiple pages on one page.